Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a Telegram user to your contacts on the Telegram application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the settings button down below and click on the chat button and select the user. Click on their username at the top of the screen, and here you can find the add to contacts feature in the middle of the screen, so click on it. Then you should add their last name. Here you have their username at the top and their mobile or a phone number. When you are done, tap on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby adding this person to your contacts. So basically here you will be able to find them in the contacts section down below on the left side corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.